Creating assessments used to mean hours spent defining questions, aligning topics, and structuring a test. But not anymore. Introducing the newly rebuilt WeCP AI test generation, now designed to help you create high-quality, personalized assessments in seconds, directly from a single prompt. Here's how it works. Click on Create Test under Tests and choose your context, like recruiting, employee development, honing skills, or college exams. Based on what you pick, the AI will instantly generate a sample prompt. You can edit or replace it to match exactly what you're looking for. If you want to provide more context, you can also upload a job description or reference file. Next, choose what the assessment should focus on, like technical, communication, or behavioral. This tells the AI exactly what kind of questions to prioritize, whether it's coding, soft skills, or a mix of both. That's it. In just seconds, your test is ready. With smarter tagging, improved structure, and cleaner UI, you now get role-ready assessments without the manual setup. Whether you're hiring developers or building internal assessments, this new flow helps you create tailored, high-quality tests faster, saving time and improving hiring precision. Try the new WeCP AI test generation today and experience a whole new way to create assessments.